Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan rasipi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Kayeng dormar thau an jong ka jella ha ka santrik unai wing arjar arpau kala menjor ya ka rai bala shim da ka sorkar ha ka bayade bat ka jingpen khamti ha ulat ka jella ba un shimti shipor ya ka senshar ka khadar ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council nado ka khat khandai trik urisau arjar arpau nagabenta henriu benai kenti lane tat hadu bandayo da ka wei ka executive committee ka bathamai yakani ka resolution lawanra da menteri jong katanat pulih putih ke sarkar jella uba lakmen rumbui da ka bepenbena baka jingpen khamti haulat ka jella yak jing senchar ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kalong katkum ka sop paragraph bracket 2 paragraph 16 jong ka kernit ka ba henriu jong kriti senchar kari India.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to lay the government resolution. Whereas the governor of Meghalaya, in exercise of the power conferred by subparagraph 2 of the paragraph 6 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, had by notification number DCA.1/2020/146 date 16th October 2020, assumed to himself the administration of the Garo Hills Autonomous Council and all the functions and power vested in or accessible by the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council with effect from 19 October 2020 for the period of 6 months or till the constitution of the new council through the election whichever is earlier. And whereas the order made by notification aforesaid with the reason thereof, therefore have been laid before the House on the 5th of November 2020 as required in the subparagraph 3 of the paragraph 16 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. Now therefore this House hereby approve the order made by notification number DCA.1/2020/156 date 16/10/2020 by the governor under the paragraph 2, paragraph 16 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India.
Now we come to item number 17. Lakshman Ramboy, Minister in charge of Council Affairs, to beg leave to move the government's resolution.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg leave to move the government resolution for taking over the administration of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council by the governor of Meghalaya with effect from 19 October 2020 for the period of 6 months or till the constitution of the new council through election whichever is earlier.